Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So the first step is to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The easiest and swiftest way to do that is by swiping down from the top part of your display, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so, tap and hold on it. Once at the internet settings page, you want to choose what Wi-Fi network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. Tap on it, then you gotta press on the share icon. And in here, you have the actual Wi-Fi network password located right below this QR code. As you can see right here, Wi-Fi password, hard reset. Well, so from here you have like a little fork, so you can choose two ways of actually connecting to it, either manually finding this Wi-Fi network and entering the shown password on the second device of yours, or you can simply scan this QR code and get your second device automatically connected. So I'll show how you can do that. Basically, I have this Nokia Android smartphone that I'm going to use as reference. Basically, in order for me to scan the QR code, I'll utilize the built-in camera Google Lens. So I'll open up the camera of this Nokia, open up the Google Lens. In order for me to scan this QR code, I'll frame it, then tap on it once the QR code gets recognized, and after that, once this Join Network button appears, I'll go ahead and click on it. And as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network, so great success. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching us, and bye-bye.